direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see you glowing. Glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping to know.
皆さんこんにちは。Today's hiragana is ダジズデド。So we learned last time ザジズゼゾ。ダジズゼゾ or ザジズゼゾ。It sounds very similar because here G and Z is exactly same pronunciation. So ザジズゼゾ。ザジズゼゾ. So this G and this Z is exactly same pronunciation. So which one we should use is this one, these two. So why it exists? Yes, we use but very few times, really few times. Like 90% when you hear G or Z is this one. So if you think, okay, 90% let's trust this one, then usually you don't mistake many times. But of course, some really few vocabulary is this one, and this time maybe you already know kanji, so maybe you don't use it. So really few times you use this hiragana, so actually you don't need to learn. So that's why we will not write down too. Okay? It's easy because tachitsute to chi and tsu with dakuten. Okay, so today let's learn this da and de and do. This da, de, do is very common pronunciation. For example, 私はてるみです。I am てるみです。The ending, 私はてるみです。です。です。で。Yeah, so very common pronunciation. A lot of de. Okay, so let's learn from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da. Okay, so next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is te with dakuten. So the last one is to with dakuten. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, what's vocabulary we can make? ダメ! ダメ! ダメ is a very common word. If you have seen like movie or anime, you have already heard ダメ. ダメ is don't, not good, bad means ダメ. Usually like the mothers says to the children, okay, so for example children was doing something bad things, then don't touch or something. ダメ ダメ ダメ. And 団子, do you know 団子? 団子. 団子 is like chocolate in Europe, like really common sweets in Japan, really common sweets. 団子. If you don't know, try to search 団子, even in English 団子, then you can see that a lot of picture. It's a bit weird, like circle or some like a bowl, and inside they have like azuki beans, like beans, but it's sweets. Bean sweets, but it's really tasty. Yeah, try to search 団子. Okay? So, 伝統. 伝統 means tradition. Tradition. Japanese tradition. 日本の 伝統日本の伝統 Japanese tradition. So 道路 is road 道路 road for the car, for walk, that's road is 道路 telephone 電話をかけます I will make a phone call 電話をかけます So how was it? ダジズでど So we didn't check this Z and Z. As I said, almost you never use, so you don't need. But you need to use this G and Z. It's very common. Okay, so well done.